Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a landing page and swipe pages. So basically this is a website builder, or you can say a landing page builder, in which you can create a landing page in minutes just by drag and drop and without any custom coding. In the swipe pages there are a number of templates available which you can customize with your own choice, and as you can see here you just need to drag and drop and you will be able to create a landing page within a minutes. And there are some templates as you can see here. And the best part in the swipe pages is the AMP pages. So this is very lightweight and very fast, and your website will load within a second or 2 seconds. And that is proved by Gmetrics. If you create a website and check it on Gmetrics, then you will see the results, which we will see in a while in this video. Now this is a simply drag and drop, and you can use more than 25 plus modules which will enable you to create the website very easily. And these are some categories of the website that you can create with swipe pages. You can also build e-commerce stores, and you can integrate your MailChimp account, etc. So let's see how we can get started with swipe pages and how we can create a website or a landing page. So first, just visit swipepages.com. You will find the link down in the description, and anywhere on this page you will see this try swipe pages for free, no credit card required. So for the first time, if you want to try it, you will don't need to put your credit card credentials. Just click this button, and now I already have an account, so you will have to create an account, and creating an account is very simple. So let me show you how we can create an account. So you can log in simply with your Google account, or you can write your email here and your password and then sign in. After this, swipe pages will send you a confirmation email, and once you verify that, you will be good to go. So the registration process is very simple, as you can see here. Now once you registered, you will have a dashboard like this. Now I have created some pages, but you will have to create a new page. Now before creating a new page, let's see the integration. And here you can see you can integrate your different email provider like MailChimp and Zapier, etc. with one click. And that is very important if you want to put subscription on your website. And the second one is the domain, and here you can add a domain. Now before adding a domain, you will have to point your DNS and the domain setting to swipe pages, and that is very simple, and that is dependent on your domain provider that how you can change the DNS. So once you point DNS to swipe pages, then you can add your domain here. You can click next. If you want, you can add a subdomain, and this is the DNS setup, and then simply connect. So here you can add a domain, and now the main part is landing pages. So here you will create your own pages. To create a new page, just simply click create new page. Here give it a title and write example page. Now here one is standard pages and one in MP. Now without any recommendation, don't look at standard pages because this is not what we're gonna create. And the Google MP pages is very lightweight and fast and very high rank in SEO, so we will definitely choose this one. Now here is the best part, that you can choose any template and you can customize it with your own way. To check any of these, then you can simply view that template like this. And if you want, you can use this template by clicking this button. So let's use this one. And basically swipe pages works on Tetsu page builder. You may know about this. If you don't know, then I already have covered this in WordPress tutorial. And this is a simple drag and drop page builder, like as you can see here. If I want to change this title, then I will write my own title. This is simply an image, so if you want to change it, just simply delete this image, and now you can add another image here. Icon box, everything is just drag and drop. If you want to add another section in between, then you will have to click this plus icon, add any section, add section. And now this is like the Elementor modules, that how much columns you want. For example, we want 3 columns, so these are 3 columns. And now let's add some elements here. So for example, an animated link, and here a form, an image carousel, etc. So this is very simple and very easy to use. You just need to drag and drop, and there is no custom coding required. Now again, the best feature in this Swipe Pages is its loading time. This is very important, that your page load less and less time, so that people see it immediately and don't run away. And that is what Swipe Pages does. This whole website will load within 2 or 1 second. Now you can check the speed of your website once you publish your website, and then copy its link and put it in the Gmetrics. And here you can check your website speed. If you don't know about Gmetrics, then feel free to ask in the comment section, and I will explain how it works. So that is how you can create a website on this Swipe Pages. And to show you a live example, I was working on this website. This was the client requirements, and this is the landing page on which I am working. So I will create this landing page. Now Swipe Pages is a skill, and if you want to create landing pages for your clients and you want to earn some money, so once you learn creating landing pages, then you can create gig on Fiverr, and you can sell your services to clients, that I'll create an landing page website for you. This was general and overview about Swipe Pages, that how you can create pages and how you can publish this, and what are important in Swipe Pages. So you can create a lightweight AMP landing page with Swipe Pages within minutes. Hope this will help you. In if you have any question, then you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next